Good morning, you guys, and welcome. Whether it's morning on your side of the planet yet or not, welcome anyway. My name's Tina Beecher, and I'm a psychic medium, kind of an old school biker chick. And today I'm going to do a reading on some of the energy that we're going into and giving you some lowdown on Pluto retrograde. Wow, that doesn't even sound good, does it? Well, it's not so bad. As a matter of fact, it may be okay. And depends on what you're manifesting, it's going to be all right. It's all in how you take it to begin with. It's the energy you set forward first. Now, this retrograde is going to intensify things. They always do, but I'm going to guide you through that here. I'm setting up the paranormal flashlight. It is one that I allow and welcome spirit to come in and take control of. I only welcome in beings of the light. Spirit, if you are in the room with me, can you give me a wink or a blink? Take control of that light. Let me know you have it. Let me know I have it adjusted for you. You can see the light wavering back there a little bit, flickering. Spirit, can you turn that clear off, please? Thank you. Wow. I'm going to tell you, I've been working with this flashlight for about 6, 7, maybe even 8 years. I'm probably closer to 7. It still amazes me. I'm still humbled and I'm honored when spirit takes control of that light and assists me in validating your messages and validating what is coming out, what needs to be heard, what needs to be said. This is just a general reading for today, April the 27th. We are entering Pluto retrograde, and this energy is going to be a little dense for a day or two, and then it's going to ease up. All right, I do believe we have enough cards for this. And this is an energy reading for Pluto retrograde. Let's see what we need to expect here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, just what I expect for a retrograde. Damn. Buckle up, Buttercup. Thank you, Spirit. Oh, man, thank you, Dream Team. Anytime they respond, whether it is on or off, it makes no difference. They're just validating that they are in on the conversation. All right, first off, that retrograde is going to run from today, April the 27th. I've got to look at my sheet here. Clear through till October the 6th. So this is like, what, 6 months that it runs retrograde. Now, the peak of the energy is going to, hello, everybody here, Miss Maggie. Hi, you coming up here? Get up. Welcome in, my producer and director, Miss Maggie May. There we go. Whoop. Come on, girl. Try it again. Get up there. Come on. All right, get your bulldog butt turned around. There we go. Getting all snuggled in there. All right. Got a girl. All right. So for 6 months, we are going to be under this planetary energy, okay? It's going to be intense for some of you. Depends on where Pluto is in your chart, all right? Just like a Mercury retrograde can be very intense for some and not for others. It depends on where Mercury is in your chart, you know? Go online and Google birth charts and bring something up and take a look at where your placement is. It goes a little deeper than that. You have to figure out what house it's in and then see what that house relates to. You know, a lot of times thank you, Spirit on the Light. A lot of times those houses relate to relationship, career, family, home, health. So you're going to be able to see where Pluto is and what it might intensify for you. If you were born with Pluto in certain aspects, this is going to be easy peasy. Okay, no problem. But what I see is typical for a retrograde, wrapping something up. Look at that. 10 of Wands, finishing up a cycle. That's what it's all about. Retrogrades, and I'm loving how the cards validate what we already know about retrogrades. Putting something down that no longer serves, getting rid of it. It is going to feel very much like somebody's going to get left out in the cold. Okay, the Five of Pentacles is just, look at that. It's kind of like the depiction from the movie The Christmas Carol with Tiny Tim. Look at that, out in the cold, man. Some of you are going to feel this way. Some of you are going to find that there's going to be relationships that wrap up now. That could be what that's all about, finishing up, getting rid of that old crap. With that Five of Pentacles, it certainly could be a relationship and feeling like you are the one left out in the cold. And bam, look at that. We are still in the energy of a full moon. Yesterday, April the 26th, was the full moon. Today, the 27th, we are still under that energy. The two of these things in combination, Pluto and the full moon, are what is helping wrap up some of these sequences in your life. The other thing this card brings to mind right now too is I'm intuitively picking this up. To me, this is thank you, Spirit. They're already acknowledging what I'm thinking. This is a Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde kind of card. Okay, you're going to see somebody's complete reversal or a different face during this time. We have the Nine of Cups that comes up in reverse. Now, this is making me feel as though this energy is slow. It's slow coming, slow moving. Hello, Maggie. All right. Get it around there, girl. Watch it fall off. This energy is slow coming. And the Nine of Cups usually is kind of a wish card. You're halfway, more than halfway to the completion. The 9 is actually the end of this cycle. 10 is the beginning, and on into the next. But here we have it. It's in reverse. It's going to feel like things are topsy-turvy for a while for you. Definitely feels like relationships around you are going to be a little, I just heard unevenly distributed. So you're going to have people come and go during this time also. Never picked that up before. It is a good time to stay guarded. Okay. Just keep your eyes open. Don't get all shook up and be scared or worried or anything, but just keep your eyes open. Be a little bit guarded. Retrogrades are a time that we repeat a lot of things. All retrogrades. We relive, we rehash, we rebuild. We can rekindle. We can we can rebuild. Thank you, Spirit, on the light for validating that. And it is going to work out okay because the Justice card is nice and straight up and down. And that's funny that I said evenly distributed for that Two of Cups, because I'm hearing it again. The Justice is going to prevail on something for some of you. That when that thing comes to a conclusion, you're going to be vindicated on something. Something tremendous is going to come to light for you. It's going to be a good thing. It's going to be a good thing. The Page of Swords comes up. Look at him. He's ready. He's ready. He's not nervous about it at all. He's poised. He's ready. That's what the whole point of this reading is about, getting yourself ready. Excuse me a minute. Let me grab my coffee. Always bring your coffee cup with you. Coffee cups are welcome. And we have the Knight of Wands. Now, he came up in reverse, and oftentimes the Knight he's a little bit of a player. The Knight rides out in the evenings into the pubs and the taverns, and he listens to what's going on, so he can report back to the king. The Knight is kind of the secret squirrel or the super sleuth, and he kind of gets into places and carries that back to the king. Well, he oftentimes can play both sides. Okay? Whoever this person may be, they may be reporting back to somebody else. And it is going to be for their own best interest. Okay, now you hear the cameraman is in the room too, right? You heard the meow? Welcome to Animal House. Hey, you beat it. And we have the Hierophant that came up. This time frame is going to find the conclusion of a lot of relationships. The Hierophant kind of depicts somebody that is giving vows. Maybe a relationship was supposed to come to marriage, and it doesn't. It may fall apart at the last minute. But if it does, let it go. Thank you, Spirit, on the light. If it falls apart, let it go. It wasn't meant to happen. You dodged a freaking bullet, okay? Don't get upset. All right, pulling another deck here for some clarifiers. That one wanted out. I will let it out. That one definitely wanted out. All right, I love that one too, man. It landed face up. I'm going to save that till last. Nope, I can't. Well, it doesn't make any difference. It's kind of turned out all pretty good here. The Five of Swords came up. This retrograde period of time is going to really bring to completion a lot of things that caused chaos, drama, just that day-to-day headaches. Whatever relationships are phasing out, and this could be just friendships, this could be family, that sometimes you have family members that you kind of get in activities where you come closer together for a while. You may pull away from them too, just because it's it's not a positive interaction. You're not feeling deeply connected with some of the negativity, some of the drama. And that's what that Five of Swords is all about. But it's wrapping up. We have the Page of Cups that also comes up. Take a look at that. New relationship, new connections, new opportunities are coming. That's okay. Let that shit go. Let that shit go. They came out together, popped that. You saw that ace was the one that popped so high. Ace of Wands and the Sun card. That is about as good as a happily ever after as you can get. Don't let the retrograde scare you. Just brace yourself, take on a positive outlook, and get all the life you can get. All right, you guys, that was just a general reading for Pluto retrograde. And as always, I never leave you that I don't bless you with love and light. See you soon.